Afternoon guys, just a quick one really. How I'm going to store my apples. Now, I've already started doing a load here and I need to do the rest of them. But some of these ones I won't be storing, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing with these. So I'm going to go in the box first of all. So let's make the box up. All these, as you can see, have been wrapped. And all I've done, believe it or not, is, let's show you one of these. I used the Lidl magazines for the big apples because they come in two pieces, if that makes sense. But the Aldi ones, I use that for the smaller apples because they only come in A4 pieces of paper. So for a small apple, Aldi one, just got it in, and that's literally all I'm doing. No, so these ones here, I'm not going to be storing. These are going to be used because these are blemishes, etc. And for the bigger apples, you get a double one. And wrap it again. Easy as that really. Like I said, I've got different sizes, little baby ones, pretty big ones. Yeah, here there's even bigger ones than that. And all this we'll be doing is cardboard box. Once you've done them all, just put them in. Try and leave the small ones at the top possibly. And these will have to be stored in a garage or a shed, etc. Don't put them in your greenhouse. Literally, I've got a good crop this year off my apple tree. I think it's possibly because of all the rain excess that we had this year. It's actually given me a good crop. First of all, I had the heat wave and then weeks of rain. Excuse me. Look, some really big ones. As you can see, I actually filled a mushroom tray with the apples, plus another mushroom tray here, and I've got some of the fruit bowls, etc. And that, all my apples in there now. So I can close this over, just put a little bit of tape. That will now store in the shed. Just check them every couple of weeks, make sure that none are starting to rot. Apologies for the light behind me. That's what windows do, you know, let light in. Check these every couple of weeks, make sure they're not rotten. If there are any rotten ones, chuck them out, and then make sure the ones who are near the rotten ones, make sure they're all still clear and clean. So that, my friends, is how you store your apples if you have a lot of them. Thanks for watching, bye bye.